Good morning, student. Welcome to my class, BA second year, semester third. So, in our last previous lecture, we also studied about the module third, developing writing skill, and in that developing writing skill, we also studied about writing reports, how to write reports, and structure of the reports. Then types of the reports, formal and informal reports. So today we will going to learn about the journalistic report writing. Journalistic writing is the style of writing used to report news stories in newspapers, televisions, broadcasts, on radio and on the internet. Unlike other style of writing which can be flexible and casual, the characteristics of journalistic writing are pretty easy to spot. For instance, if you open a book to a chapter and set it next to a newspaper article, you had probably noticed that, unlike the book, the newspaper article is written in a short sentences and paragraphs, and it quickly gets to the point. In addition to their brevity, the news stories have a particular structure. The big bold headlines, for example, in is intended to grab readers' attention. How to write a report or tips to write good news report. So, first of all, we should know the fact. The fact will answer who, what, when, where, why, and how of the news event. Fact must be accurate. Then style. Use the active voice. Write a short, concise sentences with action verbs. Your language needs to be a simple and focused. While you are writing, try to anticipate any questions a reader might have while reading your story. Words should not be too long or complicated. A new story is not the means to try and impress people with your intelligence or your command of the English language. Pick your words carefully so they are concise and you will use fewer words overall. Make sure your report contains only one idea. Use a simple subject, verb, object form. Don't use too many commas. Paragraph need to say something new and like a sentences be short and to the point. Never put more than 3 prepositional phrases into one sentence. Never put more than 3 numbers in one sentence. So here is some example. Let's we learn the examples. Uh, this news and find out its features. So here is the news. Police beef up security in Pathankot. Special correspondent The Hindu. Then here is the name of place where the news are created. Chandigarh. The Punjab police have launched a search at a Shadipur village in Pathankot after a local farmer said he had seen 5 or 6 suspicious looking men carrying backpacks. The police said the search was carried out on Friday night. Senior Superintendent of Police Pathankot Vivek Soni told press persons that after the farmer informed the police that he saw the men, the search was carried out. Mr. Soni said that nothing was being left to chance and security had been beefed up in Pathankot and neighboring areas to trace suspects. So, the contents of the news item is first is a headline. Headline is printed in a bold letters. It is a statement in a simple present tense. And second, One is a source of information are the Hindu through their special correspondent and the police. Then the place where the place from where the news came. So Chandigarh, written in a bold letters. Here there is a shows that the bold letters Chandigarh. That is the place where the incident are already created. So the date, the newspaper in English, like the Times of India, the Hindu, and the Indian Express. Here is the name of the newspapers: Times of India, the Hindu, and the Indian Express. So here they get that the Hindu newspaper's name. Don't mention the date of the news nowadays, but the newspapers in Marathi normally mention the date of the news. Detail: the Punjab police have launched a search of 5 or 6 suspicious looking men carrying backpacks. Location: Shadipur village in Pathankot. Cause of search: a local farmer informed about 5 to 6 suspicious men to the police. Other particulars: 5 or 6 suspicious looking men carrying backpacks. Farmer informed about it to the police. Day Friday. And here is a use the language here is use the language. The headline is in a simple present tense and the news story is in the simple past tense. So here is another news story they are also given. We will also learn about the journalistic report. The title is most important, printed in a bold letters and simple present tense, and then we will correspondent the special correspondent, the Hindu, or the sources of the information are the newspaper's name Hindu, the Times of India, and the Indian Express. And then we will write about the news in a simple past tense, and we will also uh, write the place where the news came. So that is the information about how to write a journalistic report or news. Then we will going to learn about the paragraph writing. A paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent and are all related to a single topic. Almost every piece of writing needs to be organized into paragraph. The belonging and ending of a paragraph help the readers to see the organization of the written piece and grasp its main point. Paragraph can contain many different kind of information. A paragraph could contain a series of brief examples or a long illustration of a general point. It might describe a place, character, or a process, narrate a series of events, compare or contrast two or more things, classify items into categories, or describe causes and effects, regardless of the kind of information they contain. All paragraphs share certain characteristics. One of the most important of these is topic sentence. Characteristic of a good paragraph: topic sentence, which includes the topic and controlling idea. Supporting idea, usually 3 to 6, which support the topic sentence. RENS, reason, example, names, numbers, and senses. That is the full form of reason, example, names, numbers, senses, which develop the supporting ideas by giving details and explanation. Then optional in concluding sentence, which expresses the importance of the information in the paragraph, may summarize the supporting idea if the paragraph is long or provide a transition to the next paragraph of the essay. Unity, which means that all sentences in the paragraph directly support the topic sentence. Coherence, which means that all the information of the paragraph is well organized, logically ordered, and easy to follow. This is accomplished by: first one is the repetition of a key words and phrases, often from the topic sentence. Parallel grammatical structure, transition words and phrases. Process of writing a paragraph. Compose your topic sentence. Think of a topic and a controlling idea that will narrow the topic enough to support it well in one paragraph. Brain, brain supporting ideas. Choose 2 to 6 supporting ideas that do a good job supporting your topic sentence. Write your paragraph in a topic outline form. Don't actually write sentences in the outline except for the topic sentence. Concluding sentence, put your supporting ideas in a logical order. For each supporting idea, think of RENNS. Here is the reason, example, numbers, names, and senses that further explain the idea. For balance, each supporting idea should have about the same numbers of RENNS. Reason, example, numbers, then names and senses. Think of concluding sentence. Write your paragraph using the coherence strategy to make your paragraph easy to follow. Here are some ideas. Why I enjoy my hobby so much. My favorite winter activity. My opinion on. Choose anything you like. Why I hope to become a. I think the most important thing about a person is dash dash dash. Why I admire my best friend. My favorite season is winter. For example, my favorite season is a winter. Then we will also read about the winter. That is a main idea. My favorite season is a winter. Then my most embarrassing moment was when. The thing I most scared of. What I dreamed last night. So here is a brainstorming supporting ideas means we will remember, we will know the incident that is a create in our past, that is a made in our past, and we remember that and also write down about that. So how are some ideas we will see, look at the example given below of a well organized paragraph. Changes in the family. So changes in our society in recent years have weakened family life. First of all, today's mothers spend much less time with their children. In the past, father used to earn and mother used to look after household duties. Now many mothers work and their children attend an after school program, stay with neighbors, or go home to an empty house. Another change is that families no longer eat together. In the past, mother used to cook at home. Dinner today is more likely to be take-out food or TV dinners eaten at home or fast food eaten out, with different members of the family eating different times. Finally, the television has taken the place of family conversation and togetherness. Back when there were meals together, family members would have a chance to eat together, talk with each other, and share events of the day in a leisurely manner. But now families are more likely to be looking at the TV set than talking to one another. Many homes even have several TV sets which people watch in separate rooms. Clearly, modern life is a challenge to family life. So here is some given the about the changes in the family, about the nuclear, today's nuclear family, how they um, how, how they behave with each other in our family. So that is some uh, that is a example of the paragraph. There is some another example, and next one is the writing a review. A review is a short critical appraisal of something such as a book, film, play, or restaurant. It is written for a particular audience. We can find review published in a newspaper and magazines as well as on dedicated review websites. To write a review, one needs minute observation and assessment of the works under a review. There should be a logical order in writing a review. Since most reviews are brief, many writers begin with a catchy quip or anecdote that succinctly deliver their argument. But you can introduce your review differently depending on the argument and audience. In general, you should include. So, we know about the review when we purchase the book on online process. So, that time we also see the reviews of the books, and that is the review. So, there are some pseudo general points, the name of the author and the title of the book and the main theme. Relevant details about who the author is and where he or she stands in the genre of field of inquiry. You could also link the title to the subject to show how the title explains the subject matter, the content of the book of your review. Placing your review in a framework that makes sense to your audience, alert readers to your take on the book, your choice of context inform your argument. The central idea or theme of the book, if you are reviewing fiction, this may be difficult since novels, plays, and short stories rarely have explicit argument, but identifying the book's particularly novelty, angle, or originality allows you to show the what specific contributions the piece is trying to make. So, how to write? The name is the author is the important, title of the book is the important, main theme is the important. When the reviewer also write reviews about the book, or uh, he also write about the theme of the and context of the this book, this particular book, and the central idea of the book. So, here is the example, so many examples. See, when we also write the books and also write about the movie reviews, here is some example. First one is The White Tiger, Arvind Adiga, Free Press, 2008, 294 pp. The introducing a major literary talent. The White Tiger offers a story of curse casting with blistering suspense and questionable morality, told by the most volatile, captivating, and utterly inimitable narrator that this millennium has yet seen. Balram Halwai is a complicated man, servant, philosopher, entrepreneur, murderer. Over the course of 7 nights, by the scattering light of a preposterous chandelier, Balram tells Candeliers, Balram tells us the terrible and transfixing story of how he came to be a success in life, having nothing but his own wits to help him along. Born in the dark, born in a dark heart of India, Balram gets a break when he is hired as a driver for his village wealthiest man to house Pomeranians, poodles and cuddles, and the rich man's very unlucky son. From behind the wheel of their Honda City car, Balram's new world is a revelation. While his peers flip through the pages of Murdered Weekly, love, rape, revenge, barter for girls, drink liquor, and perpetuate the great rooster coup of Indian society. Balram watches his employers brief foreign ministers for tax breaks, barter for girls, drink liquor, and play their own role in the rooster coup. Balram learns how to siphon gas, deal with corrupt mechanics, and refill and resell Johnny's Walker Black Label bottles, all but one. He also finds a way out of the coop that no one else inside it can pursue. Balram's eyes penetrate idea as few outsiders can. The cockroaches and the call centers, the prostitutes and the worshippers, the ancient and internet culture, the water buffalo, and trapped in so many kinds of cages that escape is impossible. The white tiger, and with a charisma as undeniable as it is unexpected, Balram teaches us that religion doesn't create virtue and money doesn't solve every problem. But decency can still be found in a corrupt world, and you can get what you want out of life if you eavesdrop on the right conversations. The white tiger recalls the death of Vishnu and Bangkok 8 in ambition, scope, and narrative genius with a mischief and personality all its own. A moral, irrelevant, deeply endearing, and utterly contemporary. This novel is an international publishing sensation and a startling provocation debut. Here is another example of the book. So, we will learn about the review of the book of The White Tiger, Arvind Adiga's book, and we will also going to learn about the example of the film review is given below. We will know we will know about the Three Idiots movie, the film. Here is the Three Idiots about the Three Idiots movies review. So that is the Three Idiots is a comedy, drama, and romance style. The cast: Amir Khan, Sharman Joshi, Kareena Kapoor, R. Madhavan, Boman Irani, Omi Vaid. So, directions Rajkumar Irani. Director of the film is Rajkumar Irani. Duration of the film 2 hours 35 minutes and language Hindi. Released in 2009, Idiots is an Indian comedy drama surrounding the lives of three college friends, Farhan, R. Madhavan, Raju Sharman Joshi, and Rancho Amir Khan. It is loosely adapted from the novel 5 Points Someone by Chetan Bhagat. The film then follows the three friends from when they first met at the residences of the Imperial College of Engineering. In between, they get up to the usual mischief. The film explains that each of the trio is studying engineering for different reasons. Farhan is studying engineering to fulfill his family's wishes. Raju comes from a poor family and being an engineer will pull his family from poverty. And Rancho is studying because he is passionate about engineering. This sets the stage for the plot later on. At college, they cross paths with various characters. The dean of the college, Professor Viru Virus Shastrabuddhe, Boman Irani, that is the Boman Irani, who roles of Shastrabuddhe Professor, is an overachiever, having thought overachievers, having taught himself to write with both hands to save time, among other skills. He has his own idea of the perfect student and routinely patronizes students who do not meet his criteria. This comes down to most of the students at the college. Fellow student chatter silence chatur fellow student chatur silencer Ramalingam Omivaidya provides the comedic element of the film. Chatur is ambitious and believes that textbook memorization of engineering concept is the way to success. He considers himself superior to others at the university, taking shortcut to impress the dean. His efforts often make him the butt of jokes and pranks among the trio, one of which earns him the nickname Silencer. Of course, no film is complete without romance, and this is provided by the appearance of Pia, that is the role of Kareena Kapoor. Professor Viru's beautiful and intelligent daughter, with whom Rancho fall in love. The trio laugh and love with each other while discovering more about themselves. As usual, there is a dancing, music, drama, a catchy phrase, all is well, and soaring, breathtaking scenery. The film ends with several twists and leaves you inspired to take a closer look at your life. From the above example, you understand that any review should be a brief as analysis takes priority. Your analysis and evaluation should be organized into paragraphs that deals with single aspect of your argument. You have to state many of the point in your own words. You should sum up or restate your idea or make the final judgment regarding the book. Mention the book's strengths and weaknesses in order to unify your evaluation. So here uh, we will we are study about the how to write the book reviews and how to write the journalistic reports, and then writing a reviews, journalistic report, and process of writing a paragraph. Thank you, student. Thank you.